Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dian Septinapiani. I want to present my proposal scriptsy. The title is The Effect of Pentagon Fraud on Financial Fraudulent Reporting. In the chapter 1, introduction, this is backgroundnya. During Presiden Jokowi administration, he made sustainable infrastructure development one of the pillars in the advanced Indonesian vision in the second period of his administration. In the relationship between infrastructure and economic development, infrastructure availability in a country is an important and determinant factor for the speed and expansion of economic development. Infrastructure development is capital in effort to increase the productivity of the country economy as well as an effort to improve the standard of living of the community at large. More than that, infrastructure is also social overhead capital or capital good, which are the basic or important means for community needs which are indirectly useful in effort to produce or increase production. In case in 2020, Division 3 PT Waskita Karya Persero took fund for subcontractor work and project that were suspended to be fixed British funds collect for payment to subcontractor who were suspended of being fiction were then used by official and staff at Division 3 PT Waskita Karya Persero to finance expense outside the official budget of PT Waskita Karya. During that time, there was at least 41 fiction subcontractor work contract on 14 projects carried out by Division 3 PT Waskita Karya Persero. Based on report on the result in investigate, examined in the context of calculating state financial loss from the Financial Audit Agency. The total state financial loss were 2,202 billion rupiah. And the first financial statement. Financial report are the main indicator in the assessing a company performance. Financial reports are used as a basic for the determining or assessing a company financial position and can also be useful for making decisions for interested parties. Financial statement in case fraud. The Association of Certificate Fraud Examiner, the definition of fraud is intentionally unlawful act carried out with the aim of manipulating and providing false report or the form of act carried out by certain parties both from within the organization and from outside the organization to obtain personal or certain group benefit which can directly or indirectly harm other parties. And this is question one, is there an influence between external pressure and fraudulent financial reporting? Two, is there an influence between ineffective supervision and fraudulent financial reporting? Three, is there an inflation between changing auditor and fraudulent financial reporting? Four, is there influence between changing director and fraudulent financial reporting? Is there an influence between the frequency of efforts of CEO image and fraudulent financial reporting? research purpose. One, to test the influence to external pressure of the fraudulent financial reporting, to test the effect of ineffective supervision on fraudulent financial reporting. Three, to test the effect of changing auditor on fraudulent financial reporting. Four, to test the effect to changing director on fraudulent financial reporting. Five, to test the effect of CEO image affairs frequency of fraudulent financial reporting. Benefit of the research. Benefit to literature. It hopes that the result of the research will be able to reform the result of the previous research will have to be in concept regard to effect of changing auditor and changing director on fraudulent financial reporting. Benefit to practical management. It hopes this research can increase insight, knowledge, and understanding for company management so that they better understand acts of fraud that were usually carried out by internal part of the company. And it is hoped that company financial manager will be more aware that acts of fraud are not right thing to do. Practical benefit for investor as additional information for investing regarding fraudulent act in company financial report and the factor that influence CX. For policymaker, it is hoped that this research can provide knowledge, inspiration, and be used as reference material in terms of creating fraud policies. Chapter 2, Literature Review and Supporting Theory, and first, agency theory. Agency theory is a concept that explains the conceptual relationship between agent and principal. Principal are those who give meanings to rules and to make decisions. In this company, principal are shareholders and agent is manager. Fraud. Fraud is black cloud dictionary. Fraud is a deliberate act to deface or deface and defect. Dishonest means to take or lose money, property, or legitimate right belong to another person and there because an action of the fatal impact the action itself. Fraudulent financial reporting is an intentional error committed through misstatement and omission of the amount or disclosure in financial report to deface user of financial report about the financial condition of company. Pentagon. In the past, the name aforesaid triangle is a pressure, change, and rationalization. In year 2011, Crawford, fraud is Pentagon fraud. In the 5, pressure, change, rationalization, ability, and arrogance. The first pressure is an encouragement for a company due to instability and decline in company finance because by conditions such the economy, industry, or company operation. And the pressure, and 3, financial stability, financial target, and external pressure. Financial stability is a company whose financial stability or profitability is threatened by economic condition will experience pressure and will try various ways to keep the company finance stable. Financial target are always due to strong pressure on management to achieve financial targets which are based on profession of management of director. External pressure is extensive pressure from management to meet the requirement or expectation of third parties or pressure from the partner outside the company. Change opportunity. Change or opportunity. Opportunity is some to commit fraud. Opportunity or for fraud to for can for in the company. A format allow fraud to occur. This is caused by the control, lack of management supervision, and unclear procedure which on for fraud. An opportunity have four type: independent financial needs, nature of industry, quality of external auditor, and ineffective of supervision. And next, rationalization. Uh, Rationalization is character of management and have to in rationalization, auditor change and auditor's opinion. Auditor change is a change in auditor carried out by company can be considered as a form of rationalization or justification to eliminate risk or fraud trail discovered by the previous auditor. Auditor opinion is an unqualified opinion with a explanatory paragraph. Is a form of rationalization or justification from auditor for finding during the audit process by writing it an explanation for paragraph. And next, ability. Ability is fraud uh, or cheating. Fraud or cheating cannot possibly occur without people who have adequate abilities to carry out the fraud or cheating. Ability is the nature of individuals committing fraud which encourage them to look for opportunities and take advantage of them. Ability is a change of auditor. Change of auditor is a person's ability to ignore internal control, develop consumption strategy, and control social situation for personal gain. And next, arrogance. Arrogance is a characteristic of superiority over the right. One has the feels that internal control and the police do not apply to oneself. Arrogance is frequent of CEO picture. The nature of arrogance usually arises in the CEO's personality. The CEO is the highest peak in the company. The CEO will usually do whatever it takes to maintain his position within the company by showing the wider community his status and position. Review of price research. The theoretical framework and hypothesis development. The first, external pressure. External pressure, and the second, ineffective effective monitoring, and the third, changing auditor, the fourth, change of director, the five, frequent numbering of CEO picture. The first, external pressure. External pressure is a pressure because by a record and fulfillment of expect expectation from external party on third parties, which result in management taking various means to ensure that their request and expansion are fulfilled. and the second, ineffective. And then effective monitoring and effective supervision is a condition where there is the lack of the supervision and the effective internal control system, which can result in the potential for fraudulent financial reporting. Auditor change is condition where a company change its auditor with the indication of goal, namely eliminating trace of fraud finding discovered by the previous auditor. This change of auditor is to cover the possibility of new fraud finding. Change of director. The change of director is an indication of certain political interest to replace the previous board of the direction, which will give rise fraudulent act, one of which is fraudulent financial reporting. And next, frequency of CEO picture. The frequency with which a CEO image appears a reflection of a CEO superiority and arrogance. The more CEO photos appears in a company annual report, the higher the level of superiority and arrogance of the CEO will appear. Next, chapter 3, research method. Unit of analysis, population, and sample. Unit of analysis is annual report of infrastructure companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange BEI for the period 2020 until 2022. Population is infrastructure company listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange for the period 2020 until 2022. Population is 165. Data collection technique. The document this is documentation is reading, studying, processing, and analysis data, literature study, reviewing journal, literature, and other source research. And the second data collection is annual financial reports of infrastructure sector company listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange BEI in 2020 and until 2022. And this is indicator for the financial reporting. Make rumus F score sama dengan for quality and financial plus financial performance and analysis technique. Analysis technique in this make descriptive statistical analysis. Supardi 2013 descriptive statistic is statistic that function to describe or provide an overview of the object being studied through sample or population data as it is, without carrying out analysis and making conclusion that apply to general public. Classic assumption test. Classic assumption test need to carry out the proper, reliable, and unbiased estimate, and the test result can meet good criteria. And this normality test, heteroscedasticity test, multicollinearity test, autocorrelation test. Normality test. Normality test is a test that aims to find out whether the independent and dependent variable have a normal distribution or not. The good regression model is one with normal or close normal distribution. Heteroscedasticity test. The heteroscedasticity test aims to test whether in the regression model there an inequality of variance from the residual of one observation to another observation. Fixed homoscedasticitas, different heteroscedasticitas. Multicollinear test. The multicollinear test is used to test whether in the regression model there is a relationship or correlation between independent variables. The regression model is said to be good if there is no relationship or correlation between the independent variables. Autocorrelation test. The autocorrelation test is used to test whether the regression model has a correlation between error in confused in the t-1 period, the previous one. The multiple linear regression analysis. The regression analysis is basically a study of the dependence of a dependence variable on the more independent variable with the aim of the estimating and prediction the population average or average value on dependent variable based on the known value of the independent variable. Hypothesizing testing. The first significant individual parameter test. The t-test is basically used to find out how far an individual independent variable is able to explain the behavior of the independent variable. Overall significant test of sample regression, F-test. The F-test is used to test together. The test can be carried out by comparing the F-count value with F-table at a significant level. Coefficient of determinant test, R2 test. This test is used to show the extent to which the model ability to explain variation is independent variable is able to clarify the dependent variable. The value of the coefficient of determinant is between 0 and 1. Thank you.